Hi, this is 360K, and I wanted to show everybody the prototype of the first Savage RPM voltage temperature gadget that I'm building. I've got the device or the circuit prototyped. And I don't know if you can, in movie mode, I don't know if you can see the display, probably not, but I'll post some still pictures where I can get a good macro. I don't have the Savage here in my workshop, so what I did was I created over here a Savage rotor pulse simulator. So actually I have the simulator simulating the rotor pulses coming from the flywheel on the Savage. I'm indicating RPM, and currently I'm showing 480 RPM. Temperature, now normally this would be cylinder head or case temperature, wherever you wanted to put the probe. I have it here in my room, so it's only showing 82 degrees. But and then volts coming in would be my battery voltage, and this is a true reading. The power supply that I'm actually using is this voltage. On the RPM simulator, I can actually adjust the RPM, and you see the red flashing LED here. That is indicating each rotor pulse. Now the problem is, as I go faster, I don't know if you can see the RPM changing, but as I'm going faster, I'm up to 660, 780, 840, 1020, 1500, 2760, 4680 RPM is where my simulator tops out. You lose the flash rate at some point because the human eye can only detect about 30 flashes per second. What the rest of these LEDs are, this is the green to the far left is my power indicator LED. The yellow indicates a temperature sensor is present at this little circuit right here, this little guy right here. The red, of course, is my rotor pulse indicator, or spark plug indicator, if you want to think of it like that. This is this far right green here is a seconds indicator. It turns off for 1 second and then on for 1 second. And mainly I put that on for debug. I can leave it on the finished circuit too, but the algorithm that I used is I count for each second, each timed second, I count the number of rotor pulses, and then multiply, that's rotor pulses per second, so I multiply that times 60, and that's how I get RPM. Like I say, I'll put this on the web, and I'll also copy some stills that I can do in macro mode so you can see the display better.